You are used to seeing All-Stars inside Blue Crab Stadium, but in 2021, they are outside in these tents. Dozens of healthcare professionals are working to get Charles County citizens vaccinated for COVID-19. When it is your turn, you might get your dose from a Charles County healthcare worker, member of the National Guard, or Charles County public school nurse.
Being school nurses, I didn't think we'd get to be included in this, so I think it was nice that we got the opportunity to come out and help.
Becoming a nurse is not something that you decide to do, it's something that you're born to do. We are nurses for this moment. This is our time, this is our moment.
When I came into school nursing 20 years ago, I did not see myself out on the front lines fighting a pandemic. But here we are, and we do what we have to do.
Over 20 school nurses signed up for the COVID-19 vaccination clinics right before winter break began. Each nurse got a dose of the Moderna vaccine, which is the same one you will get right here. Nurses work one of two shifts, one in the morning or the other is in the afternoon, early evening. Some will give you the shot, while others will take your information. A nurse may guide you from the tent into this holding area, where you wait 15 minutes to an hour in case you feel any side effects from the vaccine. Guess who might check up on you to see how you're feeling? The idea is to get you in and out as quickly and safely as possible.
The only contact that is happening here is nurse or the paramedic is giving you a shot.
The folks that I had coming through were very excited that they were even on the list to be able to be there. I had one person that actually came through the line, told me their medical story and what led up to this. The person was so overjoyed they actually started crying because they were just so thankful that they were able to get the vaccine. It was just tears of joy.
Besides battling the virus and some days the weather, these healthcare professionals also wrestle with the surreal nature of living and working in a pandemic. Things really hit home one day for Holly Jackson when she overheard what was being said in one of her children's Zoom classes.
I heard somebody make a comment about what is everybody most excited for the new year, and my son, it came to be his turn, and he said, I'm most excited that my mommy is going to help end the pandemic. It tugged at my heart. I'm not going to lie, I had tears rolling down my face. It kind of made me realize that he looks at me and all of the frontline workers as heroes.
For Jill Bodemer, she will be able to share her experience on the front lines with her students. Besides being a certified nurse, she also teaches the Academy of Health Professions curriculum at North Point High School.
Quite a bit of the content that we cover in the class and preparing students for is realizing what the needs of the community are. In addition to that, what's going to ensure their safety and hopefully be able to kind of reach out and teach their families and other community members as far as what they're learning.
No matter how difficult it gets, Charles County Public School nurses are working through it all to get people vaccinated and give everyone hope the pandemic's end is not too far away.
I think it's wonderful. I think to get back to some sense of normalcy, we have to push forward.
This is a light at the end of the tunnel.
It means a lot to be able to get these vaccines out and get these people vaccinated and hopefully eventually cure COVID.
So many folks that have been frontline employees have been working and going at this for so incredibly long. And if I can do anything to kind of help them out too, I wouldn't think to be any place but.